Hey lads, TechScanning here. So are you daily driving a budget or an older flagship phone and you are tired of its sluggish speed? But don't you worry, here I got the tips and tricks to make it faster and smoother like the old days. So without further ado, let's start. The first tip, if your phone is running out of storage, immediately free up some space. Of course, by deleting or transferring some of the files, maybe to your computer or a cloud storage. Like this phone has a Xiaomi Cloud, or you can also try the Google Drive. There is also a temporary but a quick way to free up some space by clearing the cache of apps. For that, you can use a built-in cleaner or download one from the App Store. Or go to Settings, then Apps. Here you can clear the cache of the apps one by one. Next, you can uninstall the unnecessary and bloatware apps. This will not only get you storage space but also kills the background processes of those apps. So the stress on the CPU will decrease, resulting in smoother performance. The next step to make your phone run smoother, you can install the lighter version of the apps that are officially available, like Facebook Lite and TikTok Lite. And Google also has a Go versions of the apps which are not only lighter but also takes less storage and memory. After doing the above, if your phone is still behaving lazy while opening apps, then it's time to turn off the animations. So it will kill some background processes but also make you feel like your phone is flying. So open Settings. Here on my phone it is under Additional Settings and then the Vision tab. While in some phones the animation option is given under the Accessibility settings. If you are unable to find the animation option, just use the search bar in the settings. Moving next, the widgets on your screen remain active in the background to keep the info updated. It means keeping busy your phone RAM and CPU. So go ahead and remove them. Do you know how you get notifications without opening the app? Android allows the app to sync in the background to keep you updated. So if you disable this feature, you won't receive notifications from your apps unless you open them. This can save battery life and help your device perform quicker. Good thing to turn off the background sync, you will need to do this individually on each app. So you can turn off the background data and syncing for only unnecessary apps. For this, go to Settings, then Connection and Sharing, go to Data Usage, scroll down and tap into each app for which you want to turn off the background data. Once an app is selected, scroll down to Background Data and toggle it off. Smartphone companies deliver updates to fix bugs and performance issues that developers found in the previous versions of the software. So if for some reason you didn't update your phone, then I would recommend you to do so, as it is an important step to keep your device running well. Go to your settings and check if there is any update available for your device. Next, check if the malware isn't messing up your phone performance. The Android Play Store has a feature to check for malware apps that are installed on your device. So go to Play Store, tap on your profile, now select Play Protect and hit the scan button. It's Google's built-in malware protection tool based on machine learning algorithms, so you can rely on this. At this point you have done everything but still unsatisfied with the device's performance. So a factory reset is the last way to revive the speed of your older phone. It will erase everything from your device and bring it back to the original setting that it had when you unboxed it. It surely improves the speed of your device, but you have to reinstall all the apps and redo everything from the start. That's why I suggest trying other methods before. So for factory reset, go to Settings, About Phone, then Reset Options and select Erase All Data. And that's it for today. Let me know if these tips and tricks proves helpful for you to make your device faster. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.